Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. My name is Mashkur Ali. Today in this video, we will discuss in detail the transactions between BetMGM and Cash App. Does BetMGM accept Cash App or not? If it doesn't, are there indirect methods that can help us easily withdraw funds from BetMGM to Cash App or deposit funds from Cash App to BetMGM? So let's get started. To understand the compatibility of BetMGM with Cash App in detail, we are bringing you to a website called Cabbage Loan Guide. On this website, you'll find thousands of articles related to Cash App, including solutions to several compatibility-related problems. One of these articles is titled, "Does BetMGM Accept Cash App? Indirect Methods to Use?" If you scroll down on this article, you'll find a step-by-step guide on how to deposit money into BetMGM. You can also find a complete list of payment methods accepted by BetMGM here. Scrolling down a bit further, you'll reach the main topic, does BetMGM accept Cash App? This section mentions BetMGM does not directly accept Cash App for payments, but there are 4 alternative methods through which you can easily make a payment from Cash App to BetMGM. Let's explore each method step by step. Method 1. Gift card exchange. Method: open your Cash App and generate a gift card with the desired amount. Gift the Cash App gift card to someone who uses both BetMGM and Cash App. In return, receive a BetMGM gift card from them. Apply the BetMGM gift card to deposit funds into your BetMGM account. Method 2. Bank transfer. Method: if you have funds in your Cash App wallet, transfer the entire amount to your bank account through Cash App. Visit the BetMGM payment options and choose the bank transfer method. Complete the payment on BetMGM by entering your bank details. Method 3. BetMGM physical location and cash cage. Visit a physical location or cash cage affiliated with BetMGM. Pay the desired amount through the Cash App to the cashier at the physical location. As soon as you make the payment through the Cash App, the cashier will deposit the amount into your BetMGM account. Method 4. Cash App card method. To use this method, you can connect your Cash App card directly to BetMGM, as BetMGM accepts most debit cards. There are several types of Cash App cards. If your Cash App card is accepted at BetMGM, you will be able to transfer money from BetMGM to Cash App and vice versa using the Cash App card. It's essential to note that while these 4 methods facilitate the deposit of funds from Cash App to BetMGM, direct deposits from Cash App to BetMGM accounts are not supported. Finally, BetMGM does not directly accept Cash App. However, the 4 methods work effectively if you want to deposit or withdraw funds from BetMGM using the Cash App. You can choose the method that suits you best. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who use Cash App. If you have some more questions about Cash App or loans, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more such useful content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.